It's now recording.
Okay, good enough. So, this is a balloon of a gas, lighter than air. According to chemistry of the 20th century, past millennium, that if I put a piece of steel next to the balloon, the gas will do nothing. That's what the chemistry said. The former colleagues, Nobel Prize at MIT. Let's see if it's true. So, slowly without losing rain.
We do have the big question I have, I think today is for Morgan. My husband makes about 165,000.
It's attracting. That shows that it's the polarized magnetized gas. Amazing.
This proves that it cannot be molecular. This violates all
you said it. It violates all
chemical laws of the 20th century. See, this is impossible for chemistry. Impossible.
Is beautiful.
Look how it bends.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Congrats.